SP Setia Berhad is an award-winning real estate player listed on the main market of Bursa Securities. It was founded by a well-known property development figure, Liu Qixing, in year 1974. Its headquarters is located in Setia Alam, Shah Alam, Selangor. Setia is majoring in property development industry. Besides that, Setia is a pioneer and leader in developing eco-team development. As a property development, Setia encompassing activities that range from the renovation and release of existing buildings to the purchase of raw land and the sale of developed land. Through time and dedication, Setia managed to influence the skyline of Malaysian states like Selangor, Penang, Johor and Kota Kinabalu, and have expanded their reach to Vietnam, Singapore, China, Australia, Japan, and the United Kingdom. As a property development and investment organization, Setia is steadily growing its property investment portfolio. Setia discovering opportunities by venturing into hotels and shopping malls such as KL Eco City Mall, Setia City Mall, and Spice Hotel in Penang. Setia also branched out via affiliated business. For example, Setia Precast, a general building contractor, and Setia Wood Industries, a supplier of wood components in the Asia Pacific. As a newly hired finance manager in SP Setia Berhad, the company not only targeted in real estate customers, but they also provide a world-class venues, especially for customers' elegant and unforgettable occasions such as Camellia Hall and Setia City Convention Center. They are ideally located in the heart of the township where a wide spectrum of shopping, dining, leisure, entertainment, and amenities awaits. The customer satisfaction survey shows that 75% of Setia homebuyers recommend purchasing SP Setia properties to friends and relatives, and 64.3% of property development projects achieve 100% overall satisfaction and service element in the year 2020. Glomac Berhad was found in 1988 by one of Malaysia's iconic leading influential figure, Tan Sri Datuk Muhammad Mansur bin Fathiddin, or better known as Tan Sri Dato' F.D. Mansur. The main business of the company is property development. Its headquarters is located in Damansara, Kuala Lumpur. Today, Glomac comprises more than 55 subsidiaries, and most of Glomac's current major developments are located strategically in the Klang Valley and Kuala Lumpur. Glomac goes beyond constructing, selling, and managing properties to building to the development of communities. Glomac also provides customer service channels, surveys and feedback channels, website, and other online or offline publications. It can help Glomac always on the lookout about the satisfaction, expectation of quality and service and facilities provided. Glomac has extensive experience in building upmarket the properties. Committed to constructing homes for low and medium income groups in Malaysia, Glomac is aligned with the country's agenda to increase affordable housing.
Hai, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Izzah Fazlina binti Muhammad Othman, and I will be presenting to you about the financial performance of SP Setia Berhad and Glomac Berhad. First, about the firm liquidity. SP Setia Berhad show more liquid than Glomac Berhad, which is using the current ratio. In 2020, SP Setia Berhad has RM2.18 in current asset for every RM1 in current liabilities, which is in Glomac. In 2020, it shows that the Glomac has only RM1.23 in current asset for every RM1 in current liability. Second is the operating profitability. Glomac Berhad The managers in year 2020 are generating 2.3 cents in operating profit for every 1 ringgit of asset, which is more than Setia Berhad, which is it's only generate 0.7 cents. Using the operating profit margin, also the Glomac Berhad shown more. The managers in 2020 are better than SP Setia Berhad in managing cost of goods sold and operating expense. The operating profit for margin in 2020 is 25%. Next, about the financial decision, SP Setia Berhad in 2020 shows the finance 30% of its asset by debt compared to Glomac Berhad in 2020, which is only finance 17% of its asset by compared. Lastly, return on equity, it shows that Glomac in both year 2019 and 2020, the owner of Glomacs are receiving higher in return, which is in 2020, it shows that the owners get 4.2% in 2020 and 2019 it's get 3.5%.
Hi, my name is Lin Shilong. I'm here is a presentation of our group assessment, part C. Its stance is not matter. It's a company. It's a financially strong. They are assuring a working no financially performance. They are analysts. There are no financial factors can help managers make better decisions regarding need adjustment. So let's analyze the three important non-financial factors for our company. The first question is the human research. The most important of non-financial factor is the employees bring the training with respect. Thus, it's important to ensure equal opportunities, equal pay of the work of equal value, reduce inequalities of discrimination, and promotions appropriate legislation and policies. At our companies, these are consistently found on the inspiring training and empowering the employees in irrespective of the background, race, and religions. The team was born, which creates a unified identity amongst the employees. The next question is reputation. The failure to the company with environmental regulation on the conserving factories and habitats can lead the consequence of the company reputations and the ability to achieve the business operation. The last question is the digitalization. As the digital technology continue to advance, people will be look for home that go beyond that first internet connections to incorporate SIM assessment. In addition, same with all other purchases, home buyer with online increasingly more online searches and reverse and seek great engagement with developers online. At last, let's take a look for our company's internal risk that we have indented. First is safety and health of more employees. 2 is water consumption. 3 is schedule change.
I am Nurul binti Zakaria, and I'll be presenting projection and recommendation for SP Setia Berhad. As is known, the real estate market fluctuates depending on the current economic cycle. The COVID-19 pandemic has led to an unprecedented crisis and give impact to SP Setia Berhad's financial performance, especially during the enforcement of Movement Control Order (MCO), resulting to economy in Malaysia being brought to standstill. SP Setia Berhad financial performance is expected to decline also in 2021. Put aside the COVID-19 pandemic issue, the booming of real estate market has led to an increase in housing unit in the inventories, making it more difficult to manage the inventories. To improve company financial performance, SP Setia Berhad should consider to offer more development to foreign investors. Considering current situation, online exhibitions such as Setia Virtual Expo is a wise idea. This way allow it to reach more potential buyers worldwide. Management also should pay attention to COVID-19 issue by establishing COVID-19 task force to monitor employees' health and safety as well as realign the company's strategy to minimize any risk. SP Setia Berhad must keep growing their investment portfolio to generate income as well as to improve the financial health. And lastly, SP Setia Berhad need to maintain the social relationship with stakeholders to build trust, especially during this hard time. That's all from our group. Thank you.